Hello and welcome to the Common Cantonese Words Every Beginner Must Know series. And in this lesson, I'm going to go over Cantonese words that are associated with the Chinese character great, ground, hand, heart, and hinder. Now, all of these words can be studied in flashcards and quiz format in our Android app. So if you want to check that app out, please look at the link in the description below. The first Chinese character that I want to talk about is the character that resembles great, or 正 in Cantonese. Now, if you want to express excellent or great as an expression, instead of pronounce this character as 正, you should pronounce it as 正. 正. Now, of course, if it actually combined with other Chinese characters, it creates words of different meanings as well. So, for example, if you want to say truly or really in Cantonese, then you could say 正一, 正一. Now, this is usually linked up with other nouns. So, for example, if you want to say truly or really an idiot, then you could say 正一傻瓜, 正一傻瓜, where 傻瓜 is idiot. Now, if you want to say normal, regular, or ordinary in Cantonese, then you could say 正常, 正常. If you want to say official or formal in Cantonese, then you could say 正式, 正式. Now, if you want to say honest or fair in Cantonese, they could say 正當, 正當. Now, if you want to say honorable or decent in Cantonese, then you could say 正經, 正經. Or if you want to say just now or a moment ago, they could say 正話, 正話. So, for example, if I want to say I was just talking on the phone, then you could say 正話我講緊電話, 正話我講緊電話. Now, if you wish to review these words in flashcard or quiz format, please look at our Android app under the flashcard set named Words with Great. The second Chinese word that I wanted to, or Chinese character that I wanted to talk about is the Chinese character that resembles the meaning of ground, or in Cantonese, it is pronounced day, day. So if I want to say underground or ground floor, then I could say 地下, 地下. Address in Cantonese is 地址, 地址. Place in Cantonese is 地方, 地方. And subway or the MTR in Cantonese is 地鐵, 地鐵. And the flashcard and quizzes are available under the flashcard set named Words with Ground. The third Chinese character that I want to talk about is the character that resembles the meaning of hand in Cantonese, and it is pronounced 手, 手. Now, if I want to say in my hand, then you could say 手上, 手上. So, for example, I got money in my hand, then I could say 手上有錢, 手上有錢. Now, if I want to say finger in Cantonese, and sometimes it also means the USB drive in Cantonese, then I could say 手指, 手指. Now, if I want to say portable in Cantonese, then I could say 手提, 手提. So, for example, if I want to say a laptop In Cantonese, it is portable computer. And in this case, we would say 手提電腦,手提電腦, where 電腦 is computer. Now, if I want to say a mobile phone in Cantonese, then I could say 手機,手機. Now, if I want to say method or means of doing something, then I could say 手段,手段. Now, if I want to say an operation, which is what you do inside the hospital specifically, then you could say 手術,手術. And a handbag or a purse in Cantonese is 手袋,手袋. Now, if you wish to review these words in the app, please look at under the flashcard set named Words with Hand. The next Chinese character that I wanted to talk about is the Chinese character that has the meaning of heart or the mind. And in Cantonese, it is pronounced some. Mood or the frame of mind in Cantonese is pronounced something. Thought or thinking or the one's mind in Cantonese is some gate. Now, if I want to say mental or psychological, then it is some lei. So psychology in Cantonese is some lei hao, or the learning of the mental or psychological. Now, if I wanted to say one's viewpoint or one's choice, then you could say 心目中. So for example, if I want to say one's choice or viewpoint of a choice of, let's say, for a particular candidate, then I would say 心目中嘅人選. 心目中嘅人選. So in this case, it would be your own choice of candidate. Now, if you wish to review these words in the app, please look at the flashcard set named under Words with Heart. And lastly, I want to talk about the Chinese character that has the meaning of hinder, in which in Cantonese it is pronounced 阻. So to say to block or to be in the way, you can say 阻住. So for example, if I want to say you're in my way, you can say 你阻住我. 你阻住我, which literally means you are in the way of me. Now, if you want to say to prevent or to block, then you could say 阻止. So for example, please stop me from going to the bank. Then you could say 阻止我去銀行. 阻止我去銀行, which 阻止 means prevent, and 我 is me, so prevent me, and 去銀行 is going to the bank. So prevent me from going to the bank is 阻止我去銀行. Now, if you wish to review these words, please consider the flashcard set named under Words with Hinder. Now, if you like the content and you like the knowledge that you learn, please like and subscribe to our channel. As well as, if you have not done so already, I recommend you to download our Cantonese learning app, in which the link is in the description below. So this app contains the flashcard decks as well as the quizzes of the words that you have learned in this lesson, as well as the other lessons that I have offered in my channel. Also, if you have any other learning questions or want to connect with other people who are learning Cantonese the same as you, please join our community Discord channel, in which I will be there, as well as other learners will be there to answer your questions as well as to mingle. And of course, the Discord channel link is in the description below as well. Now, thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next lesson.